Profit Shield growth system. Scaling in real estate is supposed to give you freedom. Instead, too many people get stressed out, inconsistent cash flow, and surprise legal bills. I built the Profit Shield growth system because I was burned the hard way, and I'm done watching good operators get blindsided. This is the smarter path to scale: stable cash flow, unlimited legal counsel and protection, time, freedom, and leverage. Freedom wasn't supposed to feel like this. You didn't start investing to swap a boss for a furnace of problems. Freedom wasn't meant to feel like constant worry, late rent calls, vendor drama, and a lawyer's bill that makes your stomach drop. I felt that knot when a single legal letter nearly wiped me out. That's not freedom. That's an emergency that needed a system, the journey that changed everything. In 2003, I put my first 2 duplexes and a single family on the books, hungry and overconfident. By 2005, I had my real estate license, and by the late 2000s, I'd scaled fast, over 100 units. Then 2009 hit. Cash shocks, legal headaches, and a crash taught me a brutal lesson. Growth without protection is fragile. That crash is the reason this system exists. The 3 invisible killers. There are 3 killers that quietly eat a portfolio. 1. Unpredictable cash flow, the one bad month that cascades into a crisis. 2. Legal exposure, one claim can chew through years of profit. 3rd, investor burnout. You become a firefighter, not an owner. If you don't handle these, you're building sandcastles, not a legacy. The old model equals broken. The old model is buy more, hope more. It rewards volume, not resilience. More units equals more headaches, not more freedom. That's why the old playbook leaves you trapped in a bigger version of your problems. The new path forward, the new way is engineering, not faith. Predictable cash flow, layered legal protection, and strategic leverage built together. When you design a portfolio this way, growth actually buys freedom instead of stealing it. Introducing the Profit Shield growth system. The Profit Shield growth system stacks 3 core outcomes: predictable income, an ironclad legal shield, and a scaling engine that's repeatable. It's not theory. It's a practical stack you plug into deals this week. The freedom and legacy formula: predictable cash flow plus protection equals freedom. Add legacy planning and you create something that lasts. That's the math. Do that consistently, and you move from volatility to a portfolio you can pass to the next generation. Unlimited legal protection. This is the firewall. Legal access when you need it. Contract drafting and reviews so you don't walk into traps. And liability strategies that keep a claim from becoming a catastrophe. One good attorney bill can cost more than a year of profit. This stops that from happening. Proven sales scripts and training. Deals are the lifeblood. You get field-tested scripts that work. Client-first conversations that move sellers to action. Objection handling that turns no into tell me more. Follow-up systems that convert leads into signed deals. These are playbooks built for real use, not theory. Elite mentorship and coaching, weekly group master calls, live gritty, no fluff deal reviews where we rip apart numbers and spot legal flags, deal review sessions that show you where to push, where to walk, crisis management support so you don't panic when things go sideways. This is where you stop guessing and start executing with veteran guidance. Personal wealth augmentation services. You get a one-on-one strategy session, a deep, customized review of your portfolio and goals. We craft a prioritized roadmap, what to keep, what to sell, legal structures to implement, and how to turn your holdings into predictable income. This session turns confusion into clarity. Mindset and resilience training. Scaling is psychological as much as technical. We teach decision discipline, stress management, and leadership habits so you don't make desperate choices under pressure. Jim Rohn said it. Mindset matters. This module builds the habits that keep you in the game long enough to win. 90-day freedom plan. Here's how it unfolds. Week 1, launch. Legal shield on, contracts in place, sales funnels primed. Week 4, gain momentum, leads and follow-ups converting into offers. Week 8, scale smart, delegation, systems and steady cash flow. Week 12, freedom, predictable income, legal cover, and a repeatable engine. This isn't hype. It's an engineered 90-day sprint. Complete value stack. Stacked together, the components here represent real, actionable value. Legal defense, sales systems, mentorship, one-on-one strategy, mindset work, and the 90-day plan. That stack creates the safety and leverage most investors pay a fortune to assemble on their own. If all this did was save you from one legal catastrophe, or help you close one extra profitable deal, or get your cash flow consistent for 3 months, it paid for itself. That's the simple test I use. Small changes, big wins. Investment today. The total stack value is over $81,000, but you're not paying anything near that. Not 10,000, not even 5. Today you can access everything. Unlimited legal protection, sales frameworks, mentorship, one-on-one strategy, and the 90-day plan for just $1,997. Normally this startup is $4,997, but because you went through this webinar today, I'm offering it as $1,997, and we're capping this at 50 investors only. Once those seats are gone, doors close, I can only help so many. There may come a point in the future I can open the doors again at this ridiculously low price. Fast action bonus. If you act in the next 24 hours, you'll also get a private one-on-one strategy session with me, valued at $497, completely free. That's only for fast movers who know the cost of hesitation. 90-day profit guarantee. Try the system for 90 days. Turn on all the essential tools and attend the training and onboarding calls. If your cash flow and peace of mind don't measurably improve, I'll refund you. No fine print. I designed this to work, and I'm willing to take all the risk off your shoulders. Secure your freedom. Today you can keep running the old way, bigger headaches, bigger bills, or you can step into a smarter, protected and repeatable path to freedom and legacy. Register now at the link in the description or on the screen, or DM the word SHIELD and my team will get you set up. Let's stop the guesswork and secure your freedom.